Russia's extensive use of area-covering weapon systems exposes a significant vulnerability: high ammunition consumption. Ukraine, leveraging advanced drone surveillance, strategically exploits this weakness by precisely identifying and sharing coordinates of ammunition depots. Russia's habit of leaving equipment and resources in the open renders them easily detectable. The catalyst for ensuing events, be it a drone, artillery, or GMLR strike, triggers an unpredictable chain reaction. In the aftermath, Russia faces challenges as fires spread around the rockets, resulting in a more substantial explosion as multiple rockets detonate. This depletion of available rockets hampers Russia's ability to target Ukraine's positions effectively. Undaunted, the vigilant drones promptly shift focus to uncover new targets, systematically capitalizing on Russia's flawed approach to equipment placement.